Hello everyone, I'm back with new video. MasterShots, QuickShots and active tracking features are definitely useful when it comes to filming yourself. And we're gonna test it out today and see how can they make your footage more interesting, more cinematic. Let's go. Let's have a look at my favorite quick shots. First one is droney, with drone flying backwards from selected subject, revealing the scene. In this example, capturing me walking into the frame. It's great for establishing shots. Then we've got Helix. Select the point on the map and drone flies upward and away gradually, circling around the subject, adding more interest to the scene. Next one is Boomerang. Drone moves away and towards the subject, changing altitude as it circles around in oval flight path, just like you throw a boomerang. Circle mode. Once you select the subject and choose direction, left or right, drone will circle around it. It's simple and great for showing the surroundings. Rocket. Drone flies straight up to the air to selected height with camera pointing downward. And asteroid, it's kind of the rocket, moves up and away creating 3D Earth globe effect, which in this example was cancelled to the reaching maximum flight height. But it looks like this. Quick shots don't track your subject, but they are locked in place. Real fun is to use active track features, which allows you to follow your subject at constant distance. You can use trace option where aircraft follows you and it uses obstacle avoidance sensors to make sure it won't crash, and parallel mode when the drone tracks the subject at a constant distance and angle from the side. In this mode it won't sense the obstacles, so be careful. Spotlight is another option you can use. You control your drone manually while the camera remains locked on the subject. There we have the point of interest where the aircraft tracks the subject in circle based on the radius and flight speed that is set. If you change the altitude of flight or move too fast, then the subject might be lost. And of course MasterShots, an advanced feature that gives the best shots in any location regarding to DJI. Well, I was going to use it when I was on the top of the hill, but fly up didn't let me because I was in the altitude zone. Then when the flight height is restricted. Unfortunately, I live next to the airport, so the zone is pretty big, so I tried in different locations though. Drone flies for 2 minutes doing programmed shots. It sounds cool, but it has its limitations. It's used rather for static than moving subject because tracking doesn't work. Resolution is limited to 1080p 8-bit, I guess because you cannot choose camera profile option rather than just different codec. And it adjusting ISO by itself so you can see amount of light being changed in the middle of the shot. This is what my drone recorded and edited by itself. So I won't be using MasterShots that much, but it's definitely nice to have it. If you want a quick shots of yourself in nice location, you can easily share on Facebook or Instagram without messing around with editing and color grading. And it is more than enough for most people. I wish I could use all those things in 5.4K, but they have got their own limitations, like 4K for QuickShots and 1080p for MasterShots. So for the best resolution and quality, I will be still fly full manually. I hope you find that video interesting. If yes, subscribe and see you later.